Welcome to the story of The Fall of a Shooting Star. High above the world, Luna the young shooting star zoomed joyfully across the night sky, painting sparkles wherever she went. But one evening, as she tried a daring loop-de-loop, she twirled too fast and lost her balance. "Oh!" Luna gasped as she tumbled down, landing softly in a quiet, moonlit forest. She looked up at the sky where her star family twinkled far above. "How will I ever get back home?" she whispered, her glow dimming. Luna wandered through the forest until she heard a gentle hoo-hoo. Perched on a branch was Oliver, a tined old owl with glasses perched on his beak. "You must be far from home, little star," Oliver said. "I am," Luna sniffled. "I don't know how to get back to the sky." Oliver nodded wisely. "Let's break it down. If we count the steps from here to the highest hill, we'll be one step closer to the stars." So they counted together. 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps, all the way to 20. "See," Oliver said, "solving big problems starts with small steps." Luna's glow brightened just a little. "All the way to 20. At the top of the hill, Luna saw a snow-covered slide, and whooshing down it was Pip, a penguin in a red scarf. He giggled, "Whee! You look like you need a smile." Luna nodded shyly. Pip invited her to build snow shapes. "Let's make triangles, squares, and circles." As they built, Pip said, "Shapes are like friends, different, but they all fit together." Luna realized that even though she didn't know Earth, she could still learn and fit in. "Thanks, Pip," she said, shining a little brighter. Later, Luna met Rosa, a clever rabbit with a backpack full of tools. "Lost star, huh?" Rosa said. "Let's build you a ladder to the sky." They gathered sticks and vines. Rosa taught Luna how to measure. "If 1 stick is 3 feet and we need 12 feet, how many do we need?" Luna thought, 3, 6, 9, 12, 4 sticks. "Exactly," Rosa cheered. As they built, Luna learned that solving problems was easier when she believed in herself. As the ladder swayed in the breeze, a gust of wind knocked it down. Luna felt tears forming. "Now I'll never get home." But Rosa held her paw. "Sometimes things don't work the first time. That's okay." Oliver flew in. Pip waddled over, and they all hugged Luna. "You don't have to do this alone," Oliver said. Luna smiled through her tears. "You're right, I have friends." The stars above twinkled in agreement. That night, the forest came alive with glowing fireflies. Luna clapped in delight. "They shine just like me." The fireflies invited Luna to their dance. Each firefly blinked in a pattern. 2, 4, 6, 8. "It's a number pattern," Pip exclaimed. Luna joined in, learning to count by twos. The fireflies whispered, "Use our light to guide your way." Luna felt her inner light growing stronger. With her friends beside her, Luna used Rosa's new design, a balloon made of stitched-together leaves and firefly light. "Math time," Rosa said. "If we have 3 balloons and each lifts 5 pounds, how much can we carry?" Luna beamed. 3 times 5 is 15 pounds. "Perfect," said Rosa. "Enough to lift you." The balloon rose, and as the world grew smaller below, Luna looked at her friends. "I'll miss you all." "We'll always be with you," said Pip. Luna soared into the sky, her glow now brighter than ever. The stars cheered as she returned. "I thought I was lost," Luna whispered, "but I found courage, friendship, and myself." From high above, she looked down at the earth where her friends waved. Every night after, Luna danced across the sky, sparkling with joy and leaving trails of stardust behind. And if you ever see a shooting star, know that it might just be Luna, reminding you that even when you feel lost, you're never alone. The end. Stars.